In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Asana. To get started, open the specific project you want to work with in Asana. It's important to begin inside the correct project, because the connection and automation settings you create will apply there. Once you are in the project view, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Customize. This is where Asana keeps many of the project-level options that help you tailor how the project works, including apps, workflows, and automation tools. After the Customize panel opens, find the Rules section. Rules in Asana are used to automate actions, which can save time and reduce the need for repetitive manual updates. In this case, you'll be using a rule to connect Asana with Notion. So go ahead and select Rules. Then click the option to add a new rule. You should see a button labeled Add Rule, sometimes shown with a plus sign next to it. This opens the Rules gallery, where Asana displays available automation templates and integrations you can use with your project. Inside the Rules gallery, look for Notion. Once you find it, select it to continue. Asana will then give you the option to connect to Notion. Click Connect to Notion and follow the prompts that appear on your screen. Depending on your workspace setup, you may be asked to sign in to Notion or authorize access, so the two platforms can communicate properly. Make sure you review the permissions carefully, especially if you are working in a shared team environment, so you understand what the integration will be able to access. Once that connection is approved, your Asana project will be ready to use Notion through rules and automations available in the integration flow. If something doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if needed. It's also a good idea to double-check that you connected the correct Notion workspace before moving on, particularly if you manage multiple workspaces or team spaces. And that's it. You've now gone through the basic process of connecting Notion to Asana directly from your project settings using rules. Thanks for watching.